Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to start dropshipping on Etsy. If you're looking for a quick guide on how to dropship on Etsy, stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is look for random items and products that you're going to put on your store. So the reason for this is because Etsy does not allow branded items and products or products and items that are manufactured by big companies to be sold on their website. So if you go to Etsy, you'll just see pretty much all handmade items and products by sellers. And then after you've chosen the items and products you're going to sell, you'll need a dropshipping service like CJ Dropshipping and other reliable and reputable dropshipping services. Then after that, you need to hook them up together. You need to integrate the dropshipping service you have to your Etsy shop. And that's it. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.